Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb bring over. Take a look at this example. I wasn't sure about the new marketing strategy, but my manager brought me over with solid data and a clear vision for the quarter. Now, another example. Can you bring over the financial reports from the other office? We need them before the client meeting starts. So, what does bring over mean? It has two main uses. First, it means to convince or persuade someone to change their mind or agree with your point of view. In business, this is huge. Whether you're pitching an idea to your boss, negotiating a deal, or getting your whole team aligned on a new direction. Second, it can simply mean to carry or take something or someone to a specific place. Both meanings are super common in professional and everyday English. Now, here's a challenge for you. After watching this video, post an example you've created using bring over in the comments below. Commenting is a great way for you to show engagement and put your knowledge into practice. I read every single one, so don't be shy. Here are some more examples. Example 1. The startup founder brought over the investors by sharing real customer success stories and a strong business plan. Example 2. She brought her entire department over to the new project management software by demonstrating how much time and money it saves. Example 3. We brought the client over by offering a fully customized solution that matched their goals and budget perfectly. Example 4. I finally brought my best friend over to try sushi, and now it is her absolute favorite food. Example 5. My neighbor brought over some homemade banana bread to welcome us to the building. Such a nice gesture. Remember, drop your own example in the comments below. If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.